GPWIC. So sino pong principal niya? Sino po mag-funding nito para mag-roll po yung impeachment?
Walang funding sa amin at this point. Kami ay, pag nag-meeting kami, kanya-kanya kaming bayad. Kasi if you notice, this is the popular misconception that we are funded by anyone. We are not funded by anyone. We are doing this we have our own careers at hand. We can afford a little bit of comfort as long as...
So wala kayong principal. Sabi nyo kanina para supporter ko kayo Duterte.
It doesn't make us a principal. It doesn't make Duterte our principal. We support him. That's a common goal. But that is not for... ibig bang sabihin, pag lima kami lahat, Duterte supporter, si Duterte na ang aming backer. Hindi po totoo yan. Parang pang LP ata yung dialogue na yan.
Lalagyan ng mali siya eh. Reporter who...
Hindi namin binibigyan ng mali siya.
Sorry sir, you're out of order. There's a question.
Anyway.
Hold on, sir.
But we are also answering you.
Hindi ka kaya press eh. Hindi ka press kung basta.
Diba? So we're also please
Sir,
answering it.
please stand down. Stand down.
Malinis yung tanong, boss.
Malinis din ang sagot namin.
It's alright. Question was stated.
Walang motive tsaka walang agenda.
Hindi namin kayo tinatamaan. Hindi namin kayo tinatamaan.
Alright.
Huwag kayong ma-hurt.
Henceforth, please, questions to pass to me. Okay? Please call my name so that I can acknowledge you.